History in the making. King Pia kambumo ng pamikatagon, may ka-Memorandum of Understanding pilatan na ning Anti-Red Tape Authority o ARTA at Don Honore Ventura State University o DHVSU. Di kilya inikim pa magpalawaking Masters in Public Administration program. Nung nuka rin, may ka-special focus mo naman king Regulatory Management System, Regulatory Impact Assessment o RMS-RIA. Penimuna ng ARTA Director General Secretary Ernesto Perez at DHVSU President Dr. Enrique Baquiing at Vice President for Student Affairs and Services Dr. Dolores T. Kembao ing signing inyong Lunes, November 6 kay Clark, Pampanga.
Maganda po yun kasi we're making history here, no? In this part of the province or the world. For the first time, we're having a memorandum of understanding with a state university to offer a masteral program focusing on regulatory management.
Agpang kang Perez, i-professionalize na ning mesabing programa ing regulatory management king bangsa. Mika formal training mo naman kanu, bang dumalan laking proper consultation ding ordinansa at regulasyon bayo la maimplementa.
By way of a formal training being offered by Don Honore Ventura State University, this will really go a long way for our country, and this we will soon realize our dream of having a much improved regulatory management system in the country where before any regulation is to be issued and implemented, it should be subjected to proper consultation, regulatory impact assessment that ensure that no regulation, no ordinance must be causing undue regulatory burden and cost not only to the agency but to the transacting public as well.
Samantala, masaya na naman pepasyag Dr. Baquiing ay inaproba na ng Commission on Higher Education o CHED ing mesabing programa.
I am pleased to announce to everyone that the Commission on Higher Education, through the endorsement of the Office of Programs and Standards, Development, Public Management, Administration, and Governance Technical Committee, already granted us the approval to offer Master of Public Administration. We focus on regulatory management systems effective immediately.
So happy that no less than the CHED, Commission on Higher Education, has already approved and has authorized the offering program of the Don Honore Ventura State University under its management public administration programs.
Magumpisa na ang Regulatory Management System, Regulatory Impact Assessment Program ining academic year 2023 to 2024.
We will already offer the program the second semester of the academic year 2023-2024, which will commence this month, November 2023.
Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.